Are you ready to get your hands on a share of a billion-dollar airdrop? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how to claim your ARB tokens on Arbitrum. And the best part? You could potentially claim up to 10,200 ARB tokens, which is worth more than $14,000. So get ready to learn how to claim your share of this massive airdrop on Arbitrum. But before going further, it's important to know that this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest videos. Now, let's get started. Let's start by explaining what Arbitrum is and how it will improve the capabilities of Ethereum before diving into the steps to reclaim your ARB token. The Ethereum network has a lot going for it. It's decentralized, reliable, supports smart contracts written in a programming language familiar to many crypto developers, and is home to a thriving decentralized finance or DeFi industry. However, Ethereum is also slow and expensive to use, and will remain so unless users opt to move to another blockchain like Solana, Phantom, or Avalanche, or until planned Ethereum upgrades speed things up within the next couple of years. While the world waits, a third fix has arisen: scaling solutions. These are pieces of software that sit atop the base layer of a blockchain, in this case, Ethereum, to speed things up. Arbitrum is one such scaling solution, and it's become a popular venue for Ethereum users to complete their transactions. Last March 2023, Arbitrum has airdropped its new ARB token, allowing holders to vote in decisions related to the protocol. In so doing, Arbitrum is enacting its long-awaited transition to a DAO or decentralized autonomous organization. Arbitrum is cheap and quick to use and relays all transaction information back to the main Ethereum blockchain. While Ethereum manages a mere 14 transactions per second, Arbitrum races ahead at 40,000 TPS. Transactions cost several dollars to complete on Ethereum, while they cost about 2 cents on Arbitrum. And Arbitrum also supports the Ethereum Virtual Machine or EVM, meaning that Ethereum DeFi developers can integrate their decentralized applications with Arbitrum without having to make any modifications. Right now, Arbitrum processes Ethereum transactions through a method called an optimistic rollup and settles these on a sidechain before reporting back to Ethereum. As previously predicted, Arbitrum has now launched its own token, ARB, and will distribute free tokens to early users who meet specific criteria. A total of 1.162 billion ARB tokens have been allocated for the airdrop, which users can claim starting March 23rd by following the steps below. If you're ready to follow the steps we provide and claim up to 10,200 ARB tokens, make sure to hit the like button and share this video if you haven't already. And follow us on Twitter, as we update all the new information on Twitter first. Now, to claim your tokens, go to the Arbitrum Airdrop claim page, connect your wallet, click on Check Eligibility. If you are eligible, click on Start Claiming and choose a delegator or delegate it to yourself to claim the token. To determine user eligibility, various qualifying actions were taken into account, including bridging funds into Arbitrum 1, conducting transactions during 2 distinct months, completing more than 4 transactions or interacting with more than 4 different smart contracts, completing transactions exceeding $10,000 in value, depositing over $50,000 of liquidity into Arbitrum, bridging funds into Arbitrum Nova, and completing more than 3 transactions on Arbitrum Nova. The snapshot of eligible users was taken on February 6, 2023 at block height, #586428080. Eligible users have 6 months to claim their tokens, so there's no need to rush. ARB is now tradable on major exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, Uniswap, OKX, and Huobi. A point system was used to determine the number of tokens a user can claim, with a maximum of 10,200 ARB per wallet. That's more than $14,000 at the time of this recording. Additionally, users who continue to use the Arbitrum ecosystem can expect future airdrops similar to the Optimism airdrop. To receive future airdrops, continue using dApps built on Arbitrum such as Vela Exchange and GMX. As with any new listing, there's a lot of speculation about how the price of the token will perform. Looking at the ARB price prediction for 2023, it appears that the price of ARB could see a steady increase throughout the year, starting at around $1.6 in April and peaking at $2.32 in September. with a maximum predicted price of $2.32 and a minimum predicted price of $1.35. However, in the first few months, ARB token price may be very volatile because of the airdrop. It will be interesting to see how ARB performs in its initial year of trading and whether it lives up to market expectations. According to the ARB price prediction for 2024, the token is expected to experience significant growth with a maximum price of $7.04 and a minimum price of $5.41 by the end of the year. This growth can be attributed to several factors, including the increasing adoption and use of the Arbitrum ecosystem, as well as the overall bullishness of the crypto market. As more users begin to utilize the Arbitrum protocol and the demand for ARB tokens increases, the price is likely to rise accordingly. Additionally, as more institutional investors and major crypto exchanges begin to take notice of the potential of the Arbitrum network, this could also contribute to an increase in the token's value. Bear in mind that 2024 is expected to be a bullish year for the overall cryptocurrency market due to the upcoming Bitcoin halving event. Our perspective suggests that this will have a ripple effect on other cryptocurrencies, as Bitcoin typically sets the tone for the market direction. As per ARB price prediction for 2025, the token is expected to experience significant growth with a maximum price of $13.46 and a minimum price of $10.36 by the end of the year. This represents an impressive growth percentage from its current trading price. As the crypto market continues to mature, more investors are expected to enter the market, leading to increased demand for cryptocurrencies like ARB. Additionally, the growth of the Arbitrum ecosystem and its use cases is likely to contribute to the token's growth. Overall, 2025 is predicted to be a bullish year for the crypto market, and ARB is poised to experience significant gains in value. However, it seems that 2026 might be a bearish year for Arbitrum or ARB, with maximum and minimum price predictions of 12.02 and 2.61, respectively. The fall in price can be attributed to the bearish trend in the cryptocurrency market throughout the year, as indicated by the low prices predicted for other cryptocurrencies. The fall in ARB's price represents a decrease of approximately 72.3% from its previous year's maximum price prediction of $43.41 in 2025. This significant decrease can be concerning for ARB investors and holders, but it is important to remember that cryptocurrency prices can be volatile and subject to rapid changes. It is crucial to conduct thorough research and analysis before making any investment decisions. Arbitrum or ARB price predictions for 2027 show a continuation of the bearish trend seen in 2026. The maximum price for ARB in January 2027 is predicted to be around $3.02, with a minimum price of $2.333. By December 2027, the maximum price is forecasted to be around $0.85 with a minimum price of $0.66. This represents a significant drop from the previous year's predictions. It appears that Arbitrum or ARB may continue to experience a bearish cycle in 2027. The prices are significantly lower than those predicted for 2026. This downward trend is expected to continue throughout the year, with prices hitting a low of $0.85 in December. It's worth noting that this bearish trend is also predicted for other cryptocurrencies during this time, so it's not just specific to ARB. Now, should you buy an ARB token now? Well, buying ARB dollars now could be a great opportunity. It has tremendous growth potential and it is just getting started. Our opinion about buying and holding ARB token is that ARB can prove to be a good hold for long term. So, if you were to believe us, it is an excellent layer 2 blockchain and worth investing in 2023. However, make sure that you do your own research before diving into it. That's it for the step-by-step guide on claiming your ARB airdrop on Arbitrum. We hope you found this video helpful and were able to successfully claim your tokens. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on blockchain and cryptocurrency. We'll keep you updated on the latest news and developments in the crypto world. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.